After a Rainstorm by Wrigley. Because I have come to the fence at night, the horses arrive also from their ancient stable. They let me stroke their long faces, and I note, in the light of the now merging moon, how they, a morgan and a quarter, have been, by shake-guttered raindrops, spotted around their rumps and thus made Appaloosas, the ancestral horses of this place. Maybe, because it is night, they are nervous, or maybe because they too sense what they have become. They seem to be waiting for me to say something to whatever ancient spirits might still abide here, that they might awaken from this strange dream, in which there are fences and stables and a man who doesn't know a single word they understand.